Hi guys, welcome to this week's Thursday Treat with your sports scientist, part of the 7-day sports scientist series of blogs. Like, subscribe on YouTube, share on all the social media sites, visit yoursportscientist.com for the PB project. This week's treat is a chocolate almond cake. It's healthy, but it's got the great same taste, low in fat, low in sugar, 2 tablespoons of wholemeal flour, a teaspoon of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of malted drink mix, could be whichever one you prefer for that. Mix it all together with 100 ml of almond milk, 30 seconds in the microwave, and then it's ready to eat. Simple as microwave cake. That's what you need to do. Save it, let us know what you think, and we'll see you tomorrow for Friday Flexibility.